Welcome to Aaron's Eccentric Garage, and as you can see, it's a bit dark in here. Thankfully, I have at least one light, but this is definitely too dark for my taste. Definitely not the environment I want to work on my cars. So today I'm gonna actually install some LEDs that I got from Amazon and show you what kind of a difference it can make in your garage for a relatively low price. With just a quick visit to Amazon, I was able to order 4 packs of T5 LED strips and have them delivered to my home in a couple days. Under the watchful eye of my puppy, I laid out the lights on the floor, not only to test them, but to plan a layout for the ceiling. With the help of a laser line, I began to install the lights onto the ceiling in the same pattern I laid them out on the floor. After about an hour of work, one side of the garage was complete. After taking the cars off the lift and out of the garage, I began work to add the lights on the other side of the garage. To keep things simple, I'm using a wireless controlled outlet and outlet splitter since you can only run 10 lights on a single circuit. With a couple of zip ties to clean up the loose wires, my garage is fully lit. Thanks for watching!